Hello everyone, Cody here, and in this video we're going to talk about how to use the Builderall link shortener to not only shorten your links, but to also track traffic. So first of all, on the Builderall homepage, if you have it installed already, you can go down to the URL shortener app and then click enter, or you can go to apps, other, and URL shortener. As you can see, I already have one right here started up, and it's it's going to have this URL, so it's going to be a secure domain, eb4.co, and I put a custom start RPM at the end. Now, let's say you have a ClickBank affiliate link or hop link. So let's just choose one of these health. Let's choose BioFit to promote. Click promote, and we're going to place our account nickname, generate, and we're going to click over here. And as you can see, it's kind of a long link. So we want to shorten this and also be able to track where our traffic is coming from and how many hits we're getting. So we're going to click over here, and it's successfully copied. Click out of this. We'll go back, and we're going to place this link inside here where it says create short URL. Paste, and we're going to shorten. As you can see, it says successful. All right, and this is our link right here, and we can actually customize this. The domain, the like right here, it's just a series of letters and numbers, but the one I customized down here says start-RPM, and you can just customize it to your landing page or your offer you're promoting. So in order to customize it a little bit, we're going to go over here to the gear icon, settings, click that, and I'm going to name this, what's the name? Chose the BioFit. Okay. I'll type in BioFit. And let's say this is our YouTube link. So what we can do is we can have this same link, and then we can have a title and a different suffix over at the end. And what we can do is we can track it depending on which source of traffic we have. So let's do, I'm going to put this link on YouTube, let's say. And let's go ahead and put, let's go ahead and see if that's taken. Okay. So let's see, let's go ahead and refresh this. And there it is. We have our new name of the link, so we can tell what it is right off the bat. And then our domain, our link, it says YouTube start. So we're able to right away know that all the traffic is coming from this link is from YouTube. And we can also, if we go into this graph, this dashboard area, we click that, and we can actually see, the traffic, how much we get during the day, a week, a month, a year. We can see all the hits and clicks, and it just helps us better inform us of which sources of traffic are working and which ones aren't. Maybe you want to change up some different things, and maybe instead of going on TikTok, you want to promote on YouTube or vice versa. So that's how to shorten a link and use it for tracking in Builderall. Appreciate you watching the video. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. If you'd like a 14-day trial to Builderall, I'll have a link down in the description down below. Take care and have a great day.